What's up, YouTube? It's Fire Alarms and Sirens Midwest. Today we're doing another unboxing video. I am literally extremely excited for this. So this is a device I've been looking for. It is another initiating device. I've been waiting for one of these for quite a while. So I can get it open. This thing I've been waiting for about 5 to 6 days. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you this. And here it is. I finally got a System Sensor 2400. That's the back. Yep, I'm really excited to officially have the 2400. There's a test button on it. Alright, we're going to get this on the wall, on my fire alarm board, and get a test. Alright, we got it on the wall. I'll show you it blinking. So I have my cousin sleeping upstairs, so I don't feel like setting off the horns. I did test it once, just make sure I had my hand over the horn, but it does work to make sure. So I'm going to grab my screwdriver here. We'll test it. And see it's working. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And also check out my other videos if you feel like it. And thank you guys so much for watching and have an awesome day.